Where have the live penis pump demonstration videos on my channel gone? So, breaking news, YouTube has started to purge my demo videos. Over the years, men from my audience have generously donated these videos themselves using vacuum pumps live to create erections and for rehabilitation purposes. This is so other men can clearly see how to use pumps such as the Vacurect, so they know how they work before purchasing and how to use them once they've got one, because proper technique is everything. Honestly though, since having these demo videos on my channel, I've actually had this ongoing dance with the YouTube robots to keep them up. And yes, there will always be puns intended throughout this video. So these videos don't violate any YouTube policies. YouTube does actually allow nudity for educational purposes only, such as these videos. So every time they've been flagged, I've appealed them, I've politely referred them to their own policies, and the video gets reinstated. However, over the past couple of weeks, 2 of my most popular and honestly most helpful videos have been axed, and YouTube is refusing to put them back up. So it looks like this is honestly the end, or beginning of the end of demo videos for my channel. Now, obviously this is frustrating because I've heard from you guys over the years how useful these videos are, but look, I like to see every hurdle as an opportunity to do something better. So YouTube hasn't necessarily been the best place for these videos anyway, and that's no offense to YouTube. If the algorithm overlords are listening, I love you in all other respects. Love that you offer this in the first place, but there are always some weird little hurdles for men to watch these videos anyway. They were behind a +18 gateway where you needed to create a Google account, give credit card details, wait a few days. So I know a lot of you guys didn't want to do that anyway. And I've also heard from a recent survey with over 900 men in my audience that there is still some troubleshooting and information issues when it comes to using a pump for rehab and intercourse. And I get the feeling these could actually be solved better if we just had one place, one private place on the internet to do that. So in short, I'm going to move all the demo videos off YouTube behind a pay to access portal so you can easily access everything in one place. Of course, because this is going to be a pay to access platform, I also want to flesh it out to ensure that you get a huge return on investment. If you'd like to help me in creating this platform, or you'd like to hear ongoing updates on how it's going and when it goes live, please sign up. There is a link in the description box below. You can sign up with a first name and email so you can receive those updates straight to your inbox.